Hello guys, I know it's been a while since I did a video. So I was going to do a unboxing of the Kate Spade bag that I got at the outlet at Kate Spade. Well, I didn't get it at the outlet. I got it online at the katespadeoutlet.com. So they was having a 70% off sale plus additional 25. So let's get into the bag. I already opened this so it wouldn't be so complicated. So they send this. This is what they send in their bag. Then you got this. This is got the original price on there. So we got a Catnip box. So let's go ahead and open and see what color I got. Of course you can tell I got pink. Get him down off here. That's pretty cool. They have it, they split it so they put the price tag like that. I don't know why. So, as you can see, it's a brand new bag. They packaged it and sealed it well as they shipped it. It was free shipping. But yep, this is, I already have another Staci bag like this. But it is cream color and white, but I like this one too. It's pink. And so this is what I bought myself for my birthday coming out. Unless my honey gives me some money, then I can say he bought it. But on that note, let's see what it looks like. It's like bubble, would you say this is bubblegum pink? It does have gold and the straps and everything like that. What kind of handle is on? Oh, they just don't have them fixed on. But anyway, this is the Kate Spade, New York, the pricing and all that. And it's got the barcode and the code in case you want to go to the outlet online and order. But I'll show you what the inside looks like. If I can get it unzipped. It's like the paper inside is caught on it. Of course, they got it packed with paper. That probably costs us more shipping for them. Have to ship it. It's a lot of paper. But as you can see, it's deep. And you'd think it doesn't hold a lot, but it does hold a lot of stuff. I'll go ahead and undo all this stuff so y'all can see all the straps. So you can see the whole, everything was wrapped in plastic. As you can see, this bag has snaps. Guess it's just the looks. And then you just put these together like this. And you can adjust it. It's got a bunch of holes you can adjust it. Get all the paper off as the kitties likes to get up here and all the paper. Then you have the adjusters, and then you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. You can adjust it. And so I'll let you see. I guess y'all want to see what it looks like on the bag, on my back. Let's get into that. Let me adjust it. Put it in the I usually just carry, when I carry my Staci backpack, I usually just carry it with one strap. Sometimes I'll wear both straps. this. You can make it longer. And it's easy to put on. And it's so comfortable. And that's what it looks like. And I like the style of backpack. So on that note, thanks for coming on here looking at the unboxing of my Staci Bubblegum Pink backpack. And I will catch y'all on later on another one. But comment down below if you like it. If you want me to do a what's in my backpack video next. Or if you want to see any more videos. Catch you on the next time. Bye.